For this reaction, we're going to look at what happens when we put carbonates in with acids. So I've already got this ready with acid in some of these tubes, and I'm expecting that when I put my carbonate powder in there, it's going to fizz and it should make carbon dioxide gas. So alongside each of the tubes of acid, I've got some tubes that have got lime water in them, which I'm going to use to test for the carbon dioxide, which I think is going to be produced. So my strategy is this. I'm going to add some of the powder to the acid. Then as it fizzes and bubbles, I'm expecting that the carbon dioxide that forms will stay low down in the tube there because it's got quite a high density. It sinks in air effectively. And I'm going to use the dropper to collect that CO2 from down there by sucking it up in my dropper, and then I'm going to bubble it out through the lime water that's in the tube next to it. So this is my plan. I'm going to systematically test each of these different carbonates. So the first one up is copper carbonate, and the acid I'm using for all of these is hydrochloric acid. So in we go, and sure enough it's fizzing away. Just let that settle down a little bit. And I should be able to collect some CO2. I think we can see that lime water has gone cloudy. Let's test the next one. The next one is calcium carbonate. So again, small portion of the calcium carbonate into the acid. That's fizzing away, that was quite lively, wasn't it? And let's try collecting some gas. Bubble it through the lime water. And that lime water has also gone cloudy, confirming that I definitely made some carbon dioxide. Okay. Next one to test is zinc carbonate. This is also a white powder. A small portion of my zinc carbonate. Into the acid. Fizzing away. Let's try collecting some gas from that one. Sure enough, that one's gone cloudy as well. The final one to test then is magnesium carbonate. So this one also is a white powder. So, small portion of magnesium carbonate. Into the acid. And let's collect the gas. And again with this one, you can see definitely gone cloudy, definitely produced some CO2. I hope that's very nice convincing proof that carbonates and acid do in fact make carbon dioxide, and alongside it they should make water and a salt. And if I look at the tubes that I've got left, you can see some of them have got some residue that didn't manage to dissolve, but some of them we can see the liquid has changed colour ever so slightly as some of that salt is remaining in the solution. So this one would have actually made copper chloride from the copper carbonate and the hydrochloric acid, and it's got a very nice distinctive bluish colour to it, even though the original powder was green.